So you need to replace your inner tubes. Well, now you're taking your old inner tube out, you can take your new inner tube and begin inflating it until it holds its shape. Mount one side of the tyre onto the rim, making sure the tread will be rotating in the correct direction. Put the valve through the valve hole. Carefully insert the inner tube into the tyre. Mount the tyre onto the rim, being careful not to pinch the inner tube. Don't use tyre levers as it increases the risk of pinching the inner tube. Inflate the tyre to around 10 psi and check the tyre is seated correctly. Check the tyre pressure on the wall of the tyre, then inflate to the recommended pressure. Fit the valve cap to the valve. Refit the wheel onto the bike using the quick release. And connect your brake. And that's how you replace an inner tube. I'm Dan from Big Bill's Bikes. I travel smart. Do you?